These are the Longji rice terraces. Such a sight. Even old people are climbing up the slopes. You know, they don't want to greet me. My name is Ashley and I decided to tour the province of Gaunxi, found in China. I started my journey in Guilin, where I saw many gorgeous man-made wonders, and I ended up finding myself eating a scorpion. Today I'm going to be exploring the Longji rice terraces, which are found in the province of Gaunxi and are 2 hours away from the Guilin city center. In order to get to the rice terraces, I decided not to book a trip on those travel apps, but rather go there myself with a bunch of tourists that I made friends with the previous night at my hostel.
Okay, and hello, I'm Casper. Nice to meet you.
Hi. So please follow me on Instagram, Abby on the go. Abby with an IE, not an EY, because that's my name.
Hi guys, my name is Sally and I'm from Germany.
I'm Tim.
That's Tim. He's just Tim.
He's just Tim.
Hey guys.
I'm Ryan and I'm from France, from Paris.
Alright, so we are here and right now we're going to buy tickets. I think the tickets are going for 80 yuan, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go see how much they are. This is where you buy tickets from. Chinese tourist sites give 50% or more discounts to students studying in China. So if you're a student card holder, then you get probably a massive discount for every tourist site that you go to. Entrance tickets to the rice terraces were going for 80 yuan, but I managed to get them for 40 yuan because I'm a student. We have our tickets, and I think we're gonna use an e-car or a bus. I'm not sure really what we're gonna be doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also leave a comment on what you think about the current video. Honestly guys, this place is just so divine. I need to take some time and just absorb all this beauty, you know? It's just amazing what these people have done with this place. Honestly, I just want to thank the Lord actually for giving me this opportunity to see such places. It's gorgeous. Just listen to the sound of nature. It's divine. My crew just left me. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm just heading up these stairs. I think that's how you basically do this thing. You just have to just follow the stairs. Although there's some other stairs that are not made of concrete. Don't take those, especially during this season, because you slip and fall. And when you fall off, I don't think there's much that these people can do because there are no cameras here. It's just nature and you, man. They might never actually find you. Funny enough.
A few minutes later.
How spooky is that? That is really spooky. That is really, really spooky. Alright. Wait. Which way did those guys go? I want to see what's at the end of that tunnel. Then I'll join my crew in a sec. Oh, I'm not going there. I'm not going there. It's too scary. Okay. Alright. Anyway, as I was saying, another travel tip. Don't explore tunnels that you don't know what's at the end of them. Oh, am I now in the... Oh man. Yeah, there's actually a rule against walking on the terraces. You get arrested for it. I guess I have to go down. So we're now at some lookout point, and there's some ladies. I don't know. They're wearing their cultural stuff. It's really nice. Makes a lot of noise. I think it's made of aluminium. I really don't understand the culture here. If someone could actually explain it to me, it would make more sense. I'm gonna research it and maybe type something below, tell you more about it. You know. Oh, all right. Hi. Yeah, so can I? Sure, no problem. Okay, now I'm a cameraman. Clearly this place really is getting worse. The fog, we thought that was the last time we're gonna see fog. Now the whole place is fogged up. I don't know if this is the best season to travel to this place. It still looks gorgeous though, but I'm doubting if this is the best season to travel to this place. Check out even behind now, you can't even see the views anymore. But nevertheless, I'm really enjoying the place. The tour is quite amazing. We actually did it on our own, and I feel like you can also do that also. Yeah. Now we've seen the rice terraces, but the big question now is, who actually made them? The Longji rice terraces were made by the Yao people of southwest China and Vietnam. The Yao mainly live in the provinces of Hunan, Guangdong, Gaunxi, and Yunnan. About 60% of them live in Gaunxi. What's amazing about these people is the fact that till this day their culture still remains untouched. And of course their amazingly long hair. Which is long because they only cut it once in their lifetime, and they use a secret rice formula to make their hair grow. They usually live a long and healthy lifestyle, usually up to 100 years and more. In order to watch them perform, you have to pay 400 yuan for the rice terrace tour, which is equivalent to $90 US. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face over there. And if you want to watch more from this channel, click on the 2 videos below. Lastly, help me convince the algorithm that this video is good by leaving a simple hi or what's up in the comment section.